So here's my 80% win rate strategy in 2 minutes. Very, very simple. Here are my rules. I always just wait for a sweep of a low, and then I look to target the highs. We're at all-time highs right now, so I'm always looking for longs. I always long anyway because I'm a bit of a permeable, and they have a better win rate for me. I usually just use the 5 minute, and this is what I do. So I wait for a sweep of sell side like this, and then all I'm looking for is a really good bullish reaction and a 3 candle pattern V shape with an inversion like this. This is what I usually look for. Let's zoom in and look at this. Really, really great reaction. So we sweep the low, we come down, and then you can see the next candle green, we create the very, very obvious nice fair value gap, and then the amazing, amazing turnaround and close over this. Simple as you like. You can see these are my rules right here. Really, really obvious. Sweep the sell side, bullish reaction. We've got momentum. We've got the inverted fair value gap. We've got the 3 candle pattern V shape on the 5 minute. This is a very, very high probability reversal model that I use in the markets. And then all I do is I enter long when we close back above this gap like this. And then I target 1 for 1. As you can see, 1 for 1 got hit on this one. At which point for me, when we hit 1 for 1, I go break even. And I scale half my position. So this is this position tool here is sized for about $200 risk, which is what I trade. So I would have took this with about 3 micros here. So as you can see, I would have come up here, probably scaled maybe 2 micros at this level for like $130, $40 profit, and then just left the runner because the price action was pretty choppy, as you can see. And you can see we came down and I got break even on the rest of my trade here. But this is basically all I do over and over and over again, and it's got an incredibly high win rate. Recently things have been a bit slower. There have been less trades just because we've been at all-time highs. But honestly, this has been an absolutely fantastic way of trading for me. And pretty much over the past few weeks, I have had some winning trades. But obviously, it's quite difficult to get trades at the minute when we're at all-time highs. The price action is quite choppy a lot of the time. And we've had to be patient. A lot of people have. I've seen a lot of people trading ICT that have been losing a lot recently. But there is light at the end of the tunnel, in my opinion. Plenty of good trades all around. There was a good trade here as well. I mean, you could say this was a good trade. We come down, we sweep sell side. Let's bring my rules back up here. So we sweep sell side here. As you can see, we come back up. This wasn't quite a 3 candle pattern, and it was a bit far away from the inversion. I like to see them usually come and inverse back around straight away. But you can see the principle here. If I can stop repasting things like that. You can see the principle of basically just waiting for a sweep, taking the inversions back to the upside, and then targeting higher liquidity at all-time highs. Very often works, and that is my 80% win rate strategy in 2 minutes, guys. I got 100k of payouts last year, and I'm aiming for at least that this year as well. Although it's a bit more difficult to trade at all-time highs. Thankfully, we're getting a pullback now. But anyway, if you want more information and you want to get involved in some giveaways, join the free Discord in the description below and you will get access to free giveaways. And if you want alerts for my trades, I give alerts for every single trade that I take personally. You can get them in the WAP in the description below as well. Thank you very much for watching.